Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Narayan. So guys, my name is Narayan and today we are reading Word Power Made Easy English book. So let's get started. Yesterday I read previous some page of this book. So today I read next page of this book. So start. Now we start 27 number page. So children are wonders at increasing their vocabulary because of their power argue to learn. They do not learn slowly by meanings of word, but as their knowledge increases, so does their vocabulary for word are the symbols of idea and understanding. If you are a parent, you perhaps remember that crucial and trying period TRYING trying period in which your child consistently asks why. The why is the child's method of finding out. How many adults that you know go about asking and thinking why? How often do you yourself do it? The adults who lose the argue, who no longer feel that lack of learning becomes a nuisance, stop building their vocabularies, they stop learning, they stop growing intellectually, they stop changing when and if such a time come when and stop changing when and if such a time come, then as Mr. Glad so truly said, this is perhaps the most insidious of human tragedy, but fortunately the process is far from irreversible. If you have lost the power argue to learn, you can regain it. You can regain your need to discover, to understand, to know, and thus you can start increasing your vocabulary at the same rate as when you were a child. I am not supporting airy theory from over 35 years. I have worked with thousands of adults in my college course in vocabulary improvement, and I can say as a fact and without qualification that if you can recapture that powerful argue to learn with which you were born, you can go on increasing your vocabulary at the prodigious rate. No matter what your parents' age, why age make little difference in vocabulary building. I repeat, no matter what your parents' age, you may be laboring under the delusion common to many older people. You may think that after you pass your 20 you rapidly and invariably lose your ability to learn. That is a simple not truly. There is no doubt that the year up to 18 or 20 are the best period of learning. You own experience no doubt bear that out, and of course for most people more learning goes on faster up to the age of 18 or 20 than even after, even if they live to be older than Methuselah. That is why vocabulary in increases so rapidly for the first 20 years of life and comparatively at the snail's pace thereafter. But and follow me closely. The most learning is accomplished before the age of 20 does not mean that every little learning can be achieved beyond the age. What is done by most people and what can be done under proper guidance and motivation are two very different things, as scientific experiments have conclusively shown. Furthermore, the fact that you learn ability may be best up to the age of 20 but not mean that it's absolutely unless as soon as your 20th birthday is past. Quite the contrary. Edward Thorndike, the famous educational psychologist, found in experiment with people of all ages that although the learning curves rise sequentially up to 20, it remains steady for at least another 5 years after that. Ability to learn, according of Professor Thorndike, drops very slowly up to the age of 35 and drops a bit more but still slowly beyond the age and right up to the senility. The total decreases in learning ability after the age of 20 is never more than 15%. That does not sound, I submit, as if no one can even learn anything new after the age of 20. Believe me, the old saw that claim you cannot teach an old dog new tricks is a bareless, if popular, situation. So I repeat, no matter what your age, you can go on learning efficiently or smart learning once again, as perhaps you have stopped. You can be 30 or 40 or 50 or 60 or 70 or older. No matter what your age, you can once again increase your vocabulary at the prodigious rate, providing your recapture the powerful argue to learn that is the key of vocabulary improvement. No, they argue to learn words are only symbols of idea, but they argue to learn facts, theories, concepts, information, knowledge, understanding. Call it what you will. Words are the symbol of knowledge, the key to accurate thinking. Is it any wonder that then that the most successful and intelligent people in the country have the biggest vocabulary? If it was not the large vocabularies that made these people successful in and intelligent, but their knowledge, however, it gained largely through words. In the process of increasing the knowledge, these successful people increased their vocabulary just as children increase their vocabulary at the tremendous phenomenal rate during those years when their knowledge is increasing most rapidly. Knowledge is chiefly in the form of word and form now on in the book. You will be thinking about and thinking with new word and new idea. What is book can do for you? This book is designed to get your starting building your vocabulary effectively and a jet propelled speed by helping you regain the intellectual atmosphere, the new insatiable curiosity, the powerful urge to learn of your childhood. The organization of the book is based on two simple principles. Words are the verbal symbols of idea, and second, the more idea you are familiar with, the more word you know. So chapter by chapter we will start with some central idea: personality type, doctor, scientist, unusual occupation, layers, action, speech habit, insult, compliments, etc. And example 10 basic word that express various aspect of the idea. Then using each word as a springboard, we will explore any others which are related to it in meaning or derivation, so that it is not unlike that a single chapter may discuss, teach and test close to 100 important words. Always, however, the approach will be from the idea first. There will be a teaser preview in which the idea are barely hinted at, then a headline in which each idea is examined somewhat more closely. Next, and clear detailed paragraph or more will analyze the idea in all its ramification. Finally, the word itself, which you will meet only after you are completely familiar with the idea. In the etymology derivation of word section, you will learn what Greek or Latin root give the word its unique meaning and what other word contain the same or related roots. You will through be continually working in related field, and there will never be any possibility of confusion from too muchness. Despite the great number of words taken up and tested in each chapter, successful people have survivor vocabularies. People who are intellectually lived and successful in the professional and business words are accustomed to dealing with idea and constantly on the search for new idea, build their lives and their career on the idea they have learned, and it is two readers whose goal is successful living in the broadest meaning of the word successful. That is book is addressed a note on time schedule. From my experience over many years in teaching, I have become a firm believer in setting a goal for all learning and schedule for reaching the goal. You will discover that each chapter is divided into approximately equal seasons, and that each season will take from 30 to 45 minutes of your time, depending on how rapidly or slowly you enjoy working. And bear in mind that everyone has an optimum rate of learning. For best result, do 1 or 2 seasons at a time. Suppressed study with time between seasons so that you can assimilate what you have learned is far more efficient or far more productive than gobbling up great amount, amounts in indigestible chunks. Come back to the book every day or as close to every day as the circumstances of your life permit. Find a schedule that is comfortable for you and then stuck to it. Avoid interrupting your work until you have completed a full season, and always decide before you stop exactly when you will plan to pick up the book again. Working at your own comfortable rate, you will most likely finish the material in 2 or 3 months, give or take a few weeks. However long you take, you will end with a solid feeling of accomplishment, a new understanding of how English word work, and most important, how to make word work for you. So guys, today's video was end here. So today I was read so many page, 3 page. So please like my channel, subscribe, and thank you for watching.